quick sketch. Let's say that I'm working on a project, okay, and I need to make some variations. And doing my ideation, of course, I am looking for some different type of ways of doing this car. So I am in my research mode, okay? And I have to try different things like a different side view, maybe a different type of sections on the hood, maybe a different way of doing the back. So when we do those type of sketches, we go fast. We are not gonna make a rendering or illustration. So to go fast, just the line work is not enough. We need to do a little bit more. So I'm doing my, let's say, this design, okay, and now I have to put my marker because I would like to understand what's going on, how this idea is convincing or not. So now I have my line work very quick. I'm not gonna retrace it. I'm just gonna take my marker. All right. And then I'll start putting a little bit of extra thickness where I need it, okay? And I use my marker almost like it is my pencil, you know? And I do the first part like this. Then I do, of course, my reflection. All right. Then I'll do, now my marker is a little bit dry. It's okay. Then I do the reflection onto my windshield. The top of my car, and then the back glass. Okay, as you can see, I'm very sketchy. I'm not very precise. Okay, so as you can see, we already have a feeling of this car, but using always the same marker, I will hit a little bit here and there, a little bit more, and then the sketch will be done. So I take the same marker again, and then a little bit more. Now, if you have a marker that is less dry, it's better, you know. I have to buy new marker. You see, I'm adding little details that show a little bit better the three-dimensionality of this car. The sections, transparency. Now, here we must have, of course, our B pillar. So I put it. Then here, as we know, it's a reflection, so we have to be a little bit more, a little bit darker. in this area. A little bit darker the shadow. And then we can use the marker just for the outline, a little bit for the outline. Okay. In general, the last thing I do is just I take an orange, nice, vibrant orange marker. And then why not give a sort of indication, you know, of light. And that's it. It's finished. So I hope that this video is cool for you. Of course, you can add, you know, you can add all sort of graphics. Then if you add more details, of course, then we have a little bit of extra marker to put, you see, the lights and so on. So this is for this week. Thank you very much. Ciao.